Hello guys, I'm Lane Morgan here, the owner of Renown Cargo Trailers. We're out here at the manufacturing plant this morning on this beautiful Saturday morning and want to show you some of our fresh, brand new inventory that's coming off the lines. We're building a lot of trailers, expecting a great year in 2024 and got some fresh inventory and stock on the ground. But I want to show you the difference between a aluminum siding trailer. Your standard in the trailer industry is an aluminum siding. But guys, there's also this new product out. It's called Polycore. It's an 080 material. It lays flat, looks smooth, and a lot of customers are asking about this stuff and want to upgrade to a Polycore exterior siding on their trailers because it gives you that fresh, cosmetic, good, sleek look. Guys, Laura, if you'll zoom in on that black trailer over there. Now, there's nothing wrong structurally with this trailer. It will perform just like the Polycore will, but the cosmetics of it, you can see there's some dimples, there's some waviness in that black metal over there. You getting that, Laura? All right, now if you'll come check this trailer out, this is a dark color trailer as well. It is charcoal gray, but it is a dark color trailer, but you don't see the waviness in it. You don't see the dimples or the impressions in it. Look how flat and smooth that lays, guy. It looks like glass. I can see myself in this. Looks like I'm looking in a mirror. But this is an 080 material. It is called Polycore Elite Siding. So guys, if you're letting us build you a trailer, this is one thing, the easiest product I've ever had to sell for people to pay for an upgrade, is because it just looks good, it performs well, and you know, you're not gonna have that waviness look going down the road. So guys, there's a couple of things I want to show you on this trailer. This is actually an 8.5 by 24. We've got spread torsion axles on this thing, man, 8 lugs. Your torsion axle comes with an 11-year warranty. Your drop leaf springs have a 6-year warranty. A torsion axle gives you a smoother ride. This customer is actually going to be hauling motorcycles in this trailer. Once we go around the back, you'll see what I'm talking about. But it's got a semi-screwless exterior, and that helps the Polycore lay flat as well. But this is a spread axle pattern. You can only do the spread axle when you do torsions. It helps with weight distribution, gives you a smooth ride, and it looks pretty cool too, guys. If you'll come around here to the back, we've got the floor covered in RTP, and then we've got 3 rows of E-track with an electrical package in this thing, guys. One thing that's neat about our E-track is welded to the frame. It ain't going nowhere. You can hook whatever you want to, and you never have to worry about it pulling up from the floor. It is welded to the frame and has a weight capacity that would blow your mind. Anyway, they're going to be hauling motorcycles in here. They did 3 strips of E-track. That way they're not limited to where they have to put the bike. They can put the bike wherever they want in the trailer. You got E-clips that go into the E-track, so you can adjust them, move them forward or back, wherever you need them to strap down whatever equipment that you're hauling in the trailer. Come here and look at these black trailers so you can see the difference. Okay, you see how flat and smooth that looks? Hold on, Jake. Like a mirror. Oh, I'm looking good. Got it? So guys, I'm not saying there's anything structurally wrong with that trailer, but if you are a cosmetic guy, want your stuff to look real nice and look real good, you probably want to upgrade to this exterior, black Polycore, or whatever color you want. We've got it in white, black, silver, charcoal gray. All of these trailers you're about to look at, every single one of them I built in Polycore. Also, this trailer has some ladder racks up top. They usually come in chrome. If you want them to match your trailer, if you got a Blackout package, you need to upgrade and go with the black ladder racks. They're a little more expensive because we have to powder coat them as well. You can see these have been powder coated with paint. But that's an access ladder right here. This trailer's also got an extended tongue. That is another feature that I like to sell my customers. It helps you be able to take tighter turns and maneuver the trailer better when you're backing it. Let's go look at some more of these Polycores. It's going to be used to haul some motorcycles in as well. This has a slanted V-nose. If you notice, the V-nose is slanted down. It's they tell you it's for aerodynamics and it'll help you save on gas mileage, but guys, I pulled them both. It don't help you on gas, but it does look real cool. It's called a slanted V-nose. Extended tongue on that one as well. We've got some alloy wheels. But the main thing is this Polycore, guys. Look how durable that stuff is. If you hit on the side of a regular 024 aluminum trailer, it is gonna flex, it's gonna bend, it's gonna sound like you're hitting a cymbal. That is solid stuff right there. 080 gauge. It is thick, son. It is strong. About like these guns. Y'all see them. All right, so we've got a silver frost right here. No blackout package on this one. Everything is chrome. But it's a semi-screwless silver frost trailer. This one right here. Again, man, that stuff right there just amazes me. That stuff is durable. It is thick. It is strong. It lays flat. It looks smooth. This is a charcoal gray trailer. Again, the dark colors, you can get away building a white trailer with 024 white metal because it doesn't show as many impressions. It doesn't show as many defects. But when you're doing dark color trailers, man, you can really see the difference in them. Right here, this is a white two-tone Polycore exterior trailer. So you can do a white in the front, a black in the rear. You can do a red in the front, charcoal gray in the rear. We can mix the colors up. This is what we call a two-tone pattern. And what we do when you do a two-tone, we run a 6-inch ATP strip down the center of it to separate the colors. But this is a white blackout two-tone with a blackout special. When you do the blackout special, not the blackout package, but when you do the special with us, you get the alloy wheels. So when you're talking to your sales rep and you're ordering your trailer or buying a trailer, be sure to let them know if you want the blackout package or the blackout special. The blackout package, you get black mod wheels. They're not the fancy alloy wheels, but when you do the blackout special, you get the alloy wheels. We delete the roof vent, give you the upgraded aluminum sidewall vents. So just know your product when you're purchasing it, but hopefully my sales reps will walk you through that perfectly. This trailer right here, this is gonna be used to haul some, this is gonna be a work trailer. He's got some E-track on the walls. He's got 2 strips running down the floor. We can place that E-track wherever you want it. We've got a guy that does our CAD drawings in-house. So however you want the placement of your E-track, you need to let your sales rep know. We've got this ramp covered in anodized tread plate, chrome anodized tread plate. The floor's done in black RTP. That's a rubber tread plate. We've got some loading lights up here on the rear. Got loading lights. We've got some interior lights right here. But we've got some E-track on the walls. We got some LED lights on the interior as well. And they are powered by that 12-volt battery. You'll walk in here, Jake. This battery is wired to your plug-in that plugs into the back of your truck. So when you go down the road, it will actually trickle charge that battery. A lot of people say, well, how does the battery stay charged? We wire it up to where it plugs into your truck. When you're going down the road, it is actually charging that battery. We've got a shelf right here for them to use to put any tools, whatever they need to put up here. There's some storage shelves up here as well. If you'll come around here, we've got some LED lights on the side. Right here, guys, this is a 28-foot indigo blue. I'm so glad they got this color now in Polycore. This is one of my favorite colors. Indigo blue with a blackout special. 8.5 by 28. Some extra height up here, guys. We've got tandem 7,000-pound axles on this bad boy, so it can haul some weight. It's probably capable of hauling around 9,000 pounds, 8,500 to 9,000 pound payload on this trailer. We've got a taller side door as well because we've got so much extra height. We've got an electrical package in this one and some LED lights in that as well. If you'll turn right back here around the back, this is again another Polycore trailer. This is a white 8.5 by 24 spread torsion axle. You got your electric jack on the front, extended tongue. This trailer to me just looks very clean and very slick. Somebody's probably gonna be hauling a car in it because we've got the escape door right here. They added a bar lock on the side for some extra, it's locked on the inside, but anyway, we'll come back around here. Got RTP flooring, got a base cabinet in the front. They did put a finished interior ceiling on it, but they left the walls plywood. We've got 3/4 inch plywood on the floors, 3/8 on the walls, guys. They wanted a couple spare tires. Looks like they're gonna be putting a winch in the front, and they've got a base cabinet right there as well with a worktop space. This right here is an 8.5 by 20. Guys, this is a Polycore exterior again. Look how flat that looks, guys. I mean, does my hair look all right, Jake? Do I need to straighten that up? Guys, this trailer is looking good, son. Polycore exterior, the future of cargo trailers. This is what you want. If we're building you a trailer and you don't mind spending a little bit of extra money, this is what you want, guys. You're gonna look good going down the road, I promise you. All of my personal trailers, I build them in Polycore. I want to look good, and I want my trailer to look good. So guys, again, this is just some stuff we're showing you. We've got a lot of fresh new inventory on the ground here at Renown Cargo Trailers. You can find us online at renowncargotrailers.com. We've also got a concessiontrailer.com website. You can find us at Rock Solid Cargo GA, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. We got some new cool stuff we're coming out with that I can't tell you about because we're gonna be the first ones to ever do this in the trailer industry. And that's what we do at Renown. We always try to stay one step ahead of our competition. We always try to build you a superior product at a phenomenal price. Guys, I tell people all the time, look, we're not the cheapest, but we are the best. And if you want a good product, shop with us at Renown. You'll get great customer service. And guys, we just want to tell you thanks for watching all of our videos. Be sure to hit subscribe, like, share it with all your friends and family. And guys, we look forward to the opportunity to earn your business. And thanks again. Guys, y'all know the rest. Until then, y'all be blessed.